eternal.
Continue.
Even if I go homeless, it will still remain my priority. As far as I'm concerned, now you be my federal budget. Not be today you they declare budget without provision. This is not empty. It is a vision platform. And you, my queen, are my national cake. I'm out there fighting for my life. You suppose don't go hold her neck. Hold her what? You want me to snap me, put for Facebook and say, husband has strangled me over gutter rights. So, you will just sit here and let them finish me. Me, your wife. I never said that. Okay. But fighting Mama Rashida is like slapping a transformer.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Ada, what is wrong?
You be mumu.
You've been quiet since dinner.
Before, Uncle.
In fact, these days, I don't understand your...
When you have hope. No gist back.
Too bad.
It's just you and that screen.
How about we start fixing this right now?
Okay.
Phone down, TV off, just you and me.